was viral for something that you said that you're standing for. Let's stand on creativity.
Right.
My day, if I was named Nori, you couldn't even be called Corey. Because it was, all right, my bad. So what I'm trying to say is, so my favorite rapper is, one of my favorite rappers, Granddaddy IU. If you listen to my stuff, you can't tell that I love Granddaddy IU because I purposely wanted to be different from them.
You have to.
You said something that was crazy. You said, we got 2 babies already. You said, they're already doing it. And I think your message was absolutely correct. But a lot of people don't know you, so that you were yelling. So when they was yelling, they took it as like you were hating.
Yeah. Well, also because I'm older than 25.
Okay, cool.
So that helps a lot. That helps a lot to say I'm hating. No, the thing, like you said, in our day, if you remotely sounded, acted, remotely anything similar to another artist, you were immediely canceled.
Right.
You couldn't do nothing. Like, bro, like, you can't. Well, you couldn't. You couldn't do that when we're doing our shit. You had to come with something different. Originality. The labels were looking for different shit. Right. The labels were looking for Andre 3000.
Until they weren't.
The labels is lazy.
Until they weren't. Until like, how do we?
No, the labels is lazy now. The labels actually.
No, but they didn't now. Going back then.
The labels let you get hot.
Do you know? Labels made $17 billion last year.
I believe it. Yeah.
You know how much artists made of that?
No.
12%.
Yeah.
Wow.
12%
Wow.
All artists. Wow. I don't know if you've been on the Discovery page of Spotify lately. It's a lot of fucking artists right now.
There's more artists than ever.
There's more artists than chairs in the world.